Alright, welcome to part 5 of the Foundation course, page 69 I believe it is. Yeah, playing with introducing symbols and collecting like terms. Nothing, just the camera, nothing new here compared to what we've done in Key Stage 3. Very easy. Question 1, simplify all sorts of things. Let's just do something very basic just to remind you what's going on. So I've got here a plus a plus a plus a, where clearly I've got 4 a's there, so it means 4 times a, that's what that means. I've got here b plus b plus b minus b minus b, so I've got 1, 2, 3 b's minus b minus b, so take away 2 b's, leaves me with a single b. Alright, moving on to 1e, 2y plus 7y. Look, we all have the same terms here. 2 of them plus 1 of them plus 7 of them. I've got 10 of them. Answer 10y altogether. Make this the last one involving t's. 5t take away 2t plus 3t, then take away 6t's. What do we got? We've got 5t take away 2t. Well, that's 3t at the moment, isn't it? And then it says plus 3t plus, sorry, so it's minus, isn't it? Going too quick there. Minus the 6t's, so these two make 6t's, 3 and 3 is 6, so 6t take away 6t, final answer 0. Right, very straightforward. That's grade F. Turning over the page, what we've got here is trying to upgrade to grade E. Grade E has got mixed terms, so for example I've got for 4e, it says this, I've got 9e plus 2f's take away 5e plus 3f's. Now even with year 11 I'll do something like this, look, and let's just highlight the like terms. I've got a 9e there, take away 5e, so just read it, 9e take away 5e. I have got 9 take away 5, I've got 4e's, and we'll do the same for the f's. I've got an ordinary positive 2f, I'm going to add on an extra 3f's altogether. 2 plus 3, I've got 5f's. Answer, I've got 4e plus 5f. Alright, just take a couple more. Going back to black now. I've got 8s. This is question 4i. 8s plus a single t, take away 3 s's, plus 2 t's. Take it bit by bit. Let's just do some highlighting. I've got 8 s's, take away 3 s's, so I've got 8 to take away 3, leaves me with 5 s's, and highlight the t's now. I've got 1t plus 2 t's is 3 t's, and that's positive. It's not very bright, is it? Can you see that? Anyway, the answer is, let's go over it in black. The answer is black. The answer is 5 s's plus 3 t's, and that's that. Let's go to a new page. We'll just carry on doing these nice basic ones, get ourselves into the mood. Collecting like terms still. Question 5 is much the same. I'll do the last one. This is 5e. I've got 6 t's plus 7, that's the number 7, take away 5 lots of z. I don't like z's, they look too much like 2's anyway. Take away 3 lots of z plus a single t, and take away 11. Now this is rated grade E. Okay, fair enough. So let's just do it bit by bit. Just take that one there. Right, let's do the t's. I've got 6 t's plus another one there. Right, 6t plus 1t is going to give us altogether 7 t's. They're done. Change colour. Let's do the letters next. I've got minus 5z. Check if I got that right. Yep, minus 5z minus an extra 3z. Well, minus 5 minus another 3 takes me to minus 8. So I've got minus 8 z's, and a different colour for the numbers. I've got 7, ordinary plus 7, take away 11. 7 take away 11 is not 4, it's minus 4. 7 minus 11 is minus 4. So altogether I've got 7t minus 8z's minus 4. Traditionally you'd put the letters before the numbers, although mathematically it will be correct if you were to say 7t minus 4 minus 8z. Nothing wrong with that. Just trying to teach you style as well. Right, that's that done. Yeah, I think I'm done with that, no more. Section 5.2 deals with the rules of arithmetic and the rules of algebra. Well, let's take a look at page 71, question 1, arithmetic and algebra. I've got here 1a says b times a. Well, that means ab, because 2 times 3 is like saying 3 times 2, same thing. I've got here y times z times x. Well, in algebra you don't bother with the times this, we just go x, y, z, and that means x times y times z. Here's the next one. I've got x times 4. Well, 4 stands alone. X times x is x squared. I've got 4 lots of x squared. Alright? Please note how I said it. 4 lots of x squared. 4 times x squared. I've got a y times a y times a y. Well, that's y to the power of 3. Please note it's not the same thing as 3y. Alright? Little note to self and to you, they're not the same. Alright? 3y would be y plus y plus y. I've not been given that. Last one, I'm going to go b times a times 5. Well, let's do the letters. A times b is just ab, and I've got 5 of them, so 5 ab's. That's done. Upgrade to grade E. Let's do one down here. I've got 4c plus 3d minus 5d plus a single c. It looks a bit like what I did earlier, doesn't it, really? I've got to spot the odd one out. Well, I'm not going to do that, it's too long. I'm just going to simplify it just for the fun of it anyway. Right, let's do this. 4c plus a c. Well, that's 5 lots of c. Now we do the d's. I've got 3 d's. Take away 5 d's. 3 take away 5 is 2. So it's, 3 take away 5 is minus 2. So it's minus 2 lots of d. And there's your answer. 5c minus... I can't remember what I said anyway. Read it yourself. Right, question 3. Simplify these little things here. It's getting quite dangerous now, but not really. Look at this. Okay, what's going on here? I have got here 2pq. That means 2 times p times q. Take away a single pq plus 4 pq's. Now, don't be frightened of it. I've got 2 of these. Take away 1 of them plus 4 of them. Now, they're the same term, PQ, PQ, PQ. Even if they wrote it as QP, it will be exactly the same, because 2 times 6 is 6 times 2. It doesn't make any difference which way around you multiply. So, 2 of them, take away 1 of them, leaves me 1 of them, and 1 plus 4 leaves me with 5 of them, and they are P times Q. That's that. Let's do this one here, 3h. I have got a squared minus 4a plus 3a squared plus 2a. Let's highlight with yellow. Now, an a squared and an a is a different term. So, I've got 1a squared there plus 3a squares there. Altogether, I've got 1 of them plus 3 of them. That's 4 of them. In other words, 4 of these things that we've called a squared. And now we'll do the single a's. I've got minus 4a's there plus 2a's there. Okay, these are the like terms, a and a. So minus 4 plus 2 is what? Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So I have minus 2 a's. And that is the final answer to that. That's now been boxed off and complete. What else we got here? Do the last one and then we'll move on. This is k, do it down here. Y plus 4y squared. Straight away, please note they're different terms. Minus 2y squared plus 6y's. Let's just highlight. Deal with the squares first. We tend to put it in the order of the highest power. So let's just do the squares. I've got an ordinary 4y square there. Take away 2y squares. So 4 of them, take away 2 of them. 4 take away 2 is 2. So I've got 2y squares, and that one's done. Here I've got single y plus 6y's. 1 plus 6 is 7y's, so it's plus 7y, and that's that. That's done. Alright, so 2y squared plus 7y, and you can't simplify any further than that. That's that. And I think I'll stop the video there, and you've got a flavour of how that works. Just a quick review. We've collected like terms, We've applied simple rules of algebra, so P times Q is Q times P, A times B is AB, that sort of thing.